In this video, we'll see how to generate the QR code for your form link. So first of all, create a form. So I'm using a previously created form. After you add all the required questions to your form, you will be sending your form. So towards the top right corner, you will have this button to send. When I click onto this button, I'll be able to see different icons here to send this form. So here, this icon is a newly added feature where we can generate a QR code. When I click onto this, I'll be seeing two different options. The first one is the default and the second one is the branded. So the default option will have the default logo with the BoloForms theme and the logo. And under the branded, without changing the logo of your form or the theme of your form, you will have the default version under the branded section also. So in order to change the brand or change the theme of this particular QR code, you will have to change the logo of this particular form. So I'm clicking onto this logo and selecting the required logo from my system, and my logo will be changed. Yes, it is changed now. And in order to change the theme or the color of the QR code, I'll also have to change the theme of this particular form. So when I click onto this, I'm selecting my theme color. And then when I click onto the send button again and click onto the QR code icon, I'll be able to see the branded QR code of this particular form. So this is how you will be able to change the theme and the logo of your QR code. And once you are done creating your logo, either you can download the default version or the branded version. You can click onto the download image option over here to download and save the QR code to your system and send it to anyone. So I hope this video would have been useful to you. Thank you.